Hey guys, so I am Red and my channel name is Red Beauty and I own a makeup brand. That's all. And I love doing modeling. I love sitting behind the camera. Yes, that's all for me.
Charlie, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Don Alabi and this is Ghanaian photography. Today we have our awesome model here. Her name is Red from Sierra Leone. So today is international, Yubab. So we are doing something international. Ghana Sierra Leone collaboration, you know. I'm not a rapper, I would have rapped for you guys. Charlie. Today we'll be using a very giant softbox. You know, we've done the beauty dish, we've done the harsh or hard light. Today we'll be using something very huge. And you know, the bigger the modifier, the softer the light. So we'll be doing something very soft today. Now, this new box that I have is called a light box by Popo Cameras. You know, I'll be telling you a bit about it as we move on. This is from Popo Cameras, one of the camera vendors in Ghana. So this is the first time I'm seeing a softbox with the manufacturer's number on. I don't know if that's a plus or minus, but it feels a bit weird. And then the name gently written there. Light box, yes, I like it, but the others, I don't know if I like it or not. But aside that, everything is okay. It's made of durable material. It's 120 centimeters in diameter. And it's huge, so you can just guess, it gives very soft light. So we'll use it on Red, and then you guys will tell if you like the outcome. The only thing I think I don't like about this light box is the fact that when you open the diffusion, it has double diffusion. And also it has the beauty dish plate that you can place there, so it becomes a giant beauty dish. I don't know if I would want to use this huge box as a beauty dish. I don't know yet. But then in here, I'll show you guys in a moment. When you want to fix the first layer of diffusion, I don't know, this is new to me. The fact that you have to take off the Velcro, pass it through some strings and then do that. You know, we are used to a Velcro at one end, one at the other end, so you just paste it on. But this one, you have to pass it through some corner and things. So I don't know, that's the only thing I don't like about it. But so far, so good. And oh, one other thing, it doesn't come with a grid, which to me is a downside. Popo, next time please, try and add a grid. Some of us love our grid. You know, I have a small studio. So in order to prevent light from bouncing all over, you know, the white walls, ceilings and all that, I would prefer using a grid on so it restricts the light from bouncing everywhere. So Popo, please add a grid next time. Thank you. Red is ready. I'm ready. Let's roll.
Let's roll. Oh, hey guys, have you subscribed? I beg, pause on this video. In fact, not pause, go subscribe, make you hit that bell button as well. Make sure you like this video as well. And yes, that's it.
As usual, my Nikon D750, the 70 to 200 mm. I'm using the Godox X1 trigger for Nikon, 120 cm deep octa light box from Popo Cameras, and also I have connected to my laptop, CaptureOne as usual. So we'll take our first shot and see what we get. All right, we have our first shot here. The settings we are using are shutter speed 1/200, ISO 100, and f8 as usual. I always explain why I use these settings. f8 because I want details. ISO 100 because I want the cleanest image. Now this image looks quite okay, but I want to brighten it up a bit. Now this is straight out of camera. Nothing has been done in CaptureOne, as you can see from here. All the settings are 0. So let's change the power of the light. Now it's at 1/8, which looks a bit too small. Either that, or we can just move the light closer to our model. So let's give red some more light. And as you can see, the light is coming from the top, angled down, and it's the edge that's hitting her. So the light ends right here, see, in front of her, over here. So it goes this way. So the sides hit her. So there's no harsh light falling on her. We have very soft light on her. Now, the closer the light is to the subject, the softer it is. So let's take another one and see how it goes. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so if you compare the two of them, you realize the one we just took is way brighter than the one we took earlier. Okay, so this looks cool to me, but as usual, we may have to introduce a reflector down below, or let me just increase the power of the light to 1/4 plus 7, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, so I think I prefer this, even though it looks a bit brighter, but you can see everything is in focus. So this lovely makeup was done by Faces by Ginora. You can check her out on Instagram. This is lovely. Don't you guys think so? Okay, so we like the light on this and everything. So let's take a couple of shots and we will introduce a reflector and then we move on. Okay, so keep giving me your poses. Lovely. You look sad. Are you sad? Okay. Good. Lovely. Good. Stuff like that. Good. Awesome. Okay. And boom. Okay, cute. So let's keep it going. Lovely. So I'm adding a bit of your body in so you can, yes, like that. Good. Awesome. Good. Let's go like that. Awesome. One more. Lovely. So far so good. Now let's introduce a reflector and then see what you can get. So as usual, my reflector in stand. Then we move on. Okay, so we've introduced a reflector. Let's take a couple of shots and see what we can get. Good. So you see, we've totally cleared the shadows under her neck. Look at before and after. So on the left is before we introduced the reflector, and on the right is with the reflector. So this is just one light. This is what we've been able to add. So now with the reflector, let's take a couple of headshots and see. Yes, I like this. Good. And boom. Ah, it's nice. Let's go. No, let's do that again. Yes, that's the same as. Look here, straight into the camera. Awesome. Hold on. Let's go one more time. Awesome. Yeah, good. Like that. Awesome. Boom. And that is lovely. I like it. Let's go. Yeah. Good. Straight here. Good. Straighten your head. Good. Chin down a bit. Awesome. Boom. One more. Good. Something like that. Hold on. Let's go. Yes. Now let me cut. Good. Eyes open. Close your mouth. Let's see. Okay, now open. Look here. Look here. Look here. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Let's see. Eyes open. Good. Hold on. Same thing. Okay. One more. And yeah, like that. Good. Okay. So guys, I hope you've learned something new from this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if there is anything I left out or there is something new that you would want to learn. Thanks to our model extraordinaire, Red. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. See you guys in another video very soon.